Welcome to Tutify. So today we will discuss emerging infections, a brief analysis. So let's take a look at the brief analysis of emerging infections. The first one is hepatitis C. Virus was first identified in 1988 by Dr. Alter and Hodgson, receiving Lashkar Award for year 2000. It is a viral disease that attacks livers and leads to its inflammation. It is transmitted via blood and blood products, intravenous drug abuse, poor healthcare practices, and sexual healthcare practices, and sexual contact, and is an important cause of cirrhosis and cancer of liver. In India, the infection is emerging with an estimated prevalence rate of 0.5 to 1.5% of the total population. No vaccine is available and treatment is done by antiviral drug for 12 to 24 weeks. Now coming to H5N1 or H1N1 influenza. Both are different. The first one is bird flu or H5N1 virus, which originated in Hong Kong in 1997 in poultry. The infection has 50% mortality rate in humans. Human-to-human transmission is rare and vaccine is available. Now coming to swine flu or H1N1 virus, emerged in Mexico in 2009, spreading to USA, Canada, and globally to 40 countries. It was declared a pandemic in June 2009. The virus originated from triple reassortment of swine, human, and avian virus genetic material and has a very high rate of human-to-human transmission. Vaccine for H1 sorry H1N1 virus is available. Now coming to SARS and MERS. Severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS originated in Yunnan province of China in 2002 from horseshoe bats. It is spread across 29 countries, infecting 8,000 people, mostly in China. The pandemic was successfully restricted by global response at that time. Now coming to MERS, that is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome caused by related virus originated in Arabian Peninsula in 2012. Bats and humans were infected from contact with camel or camel products. Total cases reported was 2,519 and the mortality rate was 35%. Now coming to the HIV infection. The virus originated in chimpanzees and transmitted to humans through bushmeat in Africa. It is transmitted through sexual contact, intravenous drug use, and the use of blood products. There are currently 38 million cases worldwide. It is treated with high active retroviral therapy with 3 or more drugs. Now coming to chikungunya. It was first identified in Tanzania in 1952 and is transmitted via Aedes mosquito. The virus is a relative of the virus that causes dengue fever. In past, a major outbreak in India occurred in 2006 to 2007, affecting 8 states of India. Kerala was the worst affected state at that time. Infection is not usually fatal but can cause chronic symptoms in some cases. The treatment is aimed at relieving symptoms through fluid replacement and supportive care. A non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug is also used in this case. Now coming to Zika virus. The first identified or it is first identified in monkeys in Uganda in 1947. The first case reported in human in 1952 in Uganda and Tanzania, and it is transmitted via Aedes mosquito. Major outbreak in 2015 in Brazil with several neurological complications. Pregnant women had miscarriages, stillbirths, and babies had microcephaly and birth defects. Now coming to the another virus, that is Ebola virus. It first appeared in 1976 in 2 outbreaks in South Sudan and Yambuku of Democratic Republic of Congo near Ebola River. Severe outbreak in Western Africa and 2018 to 2019 in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Fruit bats are natural hosts and human-to-human transmission cause severe illness with 50% mortality rate. Vaccines are now available. Nipah virus, first recognized in 1999 in Malaysia among pig farmers. It is transmitted through fruit bats or pigs. Human-to-human transmission is also possible with 50 to 75% mortality rate. Currently, no treatment is available for this virus, and treatment is limited to supportive care, rest, hydration, and treatment of symptoms. In May 2018, there was an outbreak in Kozhikode, Kerala, with 21 casualties. Now coming to another virus that is or another disease, that is Lassa fever. First isolated in case in 1969 in the town of Lassa in Nigeria. It was caused by Lassa virus. Humans get infected through exposure to food or household items contaminated with rat excreta. Person to person or lab infection can also occur. 80% of the infected people have no symptoms and 50% mortality rate in hospitalized people. Ribavirin, an antiviral drug, has been with success in Lassa fever and is most effective when given early in the course of illness. Now coming to the COVID-19. It first originated in the city of Wuhan in China in December 2019. It is an RNA virus probably originated in bats and then transmitted to man via pangolins, a variety of anteaters. It is now a pandemic affecting 188 countries with 5,17,340 deaths. Self-isolation, usage of masks, and maintenance of hand hygiene and less exposure to COVID-19 patients and the preventive measures are the preventive measures. Vaccines are available and some are still undergoing clinical trials. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video if it helped you and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel.